Today I'm going to work with salt wash, and I'm going to add my Higgins Lake to a plate, and I'm going to add some salt wash, which is a paint additive. It comes in a powder form. There is instructions on the can, and you can get it at chalkitupfancy.com. And I just mix it with my paint until I get a consistency I'm looking for, and I'm looking for the consistency of icing, like icing on a cake. I found this can at Lowe's. It's actually a pint can that you can use for paint. You can get them brand new, or you can use a soup can. And I'm going to take my mixture with a dabber and add it to my can. And this is just a great way to add paint to plastic or metal or anything like that. And once I got my consistency on, I'm going to take my dabber and I'm just going to dab all the way around until everything looks even. And I'm going to set that aside to dry. I have this little wooden disc. I got it in a pack of 4. And what you want to do is whatever can you choose, you just want your round surface to be an inch bigger. You can use a plate, many options that you can plate. And I did the same paint consistency on that wooden disc. I found these little half pearls at the Dollar Tree. They're stickers. And while everything's still wet, I'm going to put these pearls all over my can. I did kind of come up with a pattern where I did 3, then staggered 2, 3, then staggered 2. And I did this all the way around. And as my paint dries, these will dry to the surface. Now everything's dry. I found this bow at Just a Buck. Just a Buck has the best bows, and this came with a long ribbon. It's sheer that I wrapped around the base of the can, and the actual bow that came with it looks like a rose that I glued to the center of my tie. Then I'm going to glue my can to the disc of wood by using hot glue. And now I have what appears to be like a top hat. I found these bunny ears at Target for $1. I'm going to break the ears inside of the material so that they are, more movable. I'm going to wrap the band around the base of my hat, hot glue here and there just to make sure I get a good hold. And then I'm going to pull the ears up and glue them to the top of the hat. I'm going to take this decorative chain, I believe I got that at the Dollar Tree, and I'm gluing it around to the seam where I attached the can to the wood disc. And it's just giving interest to my project. And then I found this bow. It actually was a little girl's barrette, also at Just a Buck, and I put it as a bow tie. And now you have this cute little shelf sitter. It looks like a top hat for Easter, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.